जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 17th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you that there are 4 types of devotees. Out of those 4, one is known as Jnani. That Jnani is superior than all other 3 types of devotees. You know why? This Jnani worships me alone. This Jnani surrenders to me alone. Does this Jnani seeks anything from me? No. He does not seeks anything from me. He seeks me alone. He just wanted to be with me all the time. And he shows entire of his devotion only to me. That is why he is great. He is superior to all other devotees. And I cannot even say how much love and devotion he shows unto me. Though I am the Supreme, though there is nothing in this entire universe that I cannot explain, but here the amount of love this Jnani shows unto me, I can't explain. That much love he shows unto me, and the same amount of love I too shows to him, to that Jnani. I too take care of that Jnani to that extent. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma disclosing whom he would love most, having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, and while preparing ourselves to be loved by Sri Krishna Paramatma to that extent, let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tesham Jnani Nityayuktaha Eka Bhaktihi Visishyate Priyohi Jnaninaha Atyardham Aham Sacha Mama Priyaha Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajanta manupeta mapeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Adhisthana Devatas of all the elements, praying Sriman Narayana, saying that, O Paramatma, only those who are able to gain control over their senses are getting to do friendship with great people. Only they are getting to be in association of great people, Satpurusha Sahavasam. Then because of the Satpurusha Sahavasam, they are getting to attain Acharya Seva. After doing Acharya Seva, they are getting bhakti towards you. The bhakti will be inculcated in the hearts of those who does Acharya Seva. O Sriman Narayana, and then while keep on listening to your divine activities, your divine attributes, the mind, manas, gets pure. Once the manas gets pure, all the previous life's impressions will be washed off. Once that is done, the mind no longer will be craving for the worldly enjoyments. Then that pure mind will constantly think about you. With that kind of constant meditation upon you, we get your darshanam. Once we get your darshanam, you will bless us with your divine abode. O Sriman Narayana, this is the process every soul will get to attain your divine abode. And also we realize that there are few souls who does Atmadhyanam, who does Yoga Abhyasam, and through that Yoga Abhyasam they attain you. But this is hard way, tough way to attain you. The most easiest way to attain you is just listen to your divine stories and be respectful to all the elderly people and keep serving elderly people, acharyas, and keep on listening to your divine Kalyana Gunas. This is the most easiest way for everyone to attain you. Like this, all these Adhisthana Devatas praying Srimannarayana and also saying that, "Ho Paramatma, Adyaha Purushaha Puranaha Tvam, you are the cause of this entire universe. And you brought all of us into this existence. Because we are all separate, we are unable to be helpful to you. Because you brought us into the existence, we want to serve you. We would like to come together. All of us collectively want to serve you. All of us collectively be like instruments in your hands, in your this entire Jagadrachana, entire process of Srishti." Like this, all the devatas of elements praying Srimannarayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 17th sloka. Tesham Jnani Nityayuktaha Eka Bhaktihi Visishyate Priyohi Jnaninaha Atyardham Aham Sacha Mama Priyaha. Tesham Jnani Nityayuktaha Eka Bhaktir Visishyate Priyo Hi Jnaninotyardham Aham Sacha Mama Priyaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.